Today I'm sharing a simple natural body care routine for soft and healthy looking skin. First, make this natural body scrub. 2 TBSP sugar, 1 TBSP coffee grounds, 1 TBSP rice flour, 1 TBSP body wash, 1 TSP honey. Mix all the ingredients well until it forms a thick scrub. Then wet your skin with warm water. Apply the scrub and gently massage in circular motions for 2 to 3 minutes. Leave it on for 3-5 minutes. Rinse with clean water and pat your skin dry. Finish with a light moisturizer or natural oil to keep your skin hydrated. Use the scrub 2-3 times a week for the best results. Follow for more simple, natural beauty tips.